A good informative plot needs clarity, accuracy, conciseness, appropriate chart types, and clear labels, titles to convey its message effectively. This is crucial in data visualization as it transforms complex data into understandable insights, enabling faster decision-making and more effective communication. To illustrate in Python, we'd use matplotlib.
Define your data. For example, x equals 1, 2, 3, and y equals 4, 5, 6. Then, simply call plt, plot, x, y, and plt, show, to render a basic line plot.
The basic requirements of a good informative plot include clarity, accuracy, and an appropriate plot type for the data. It must have clear labels for both axes, a descriptive title, and a legend if multiple data series are present. Additionally, it should avoid clutter, use a suitable color scheme, and accurately represent the underlying data without distortion or misleading scales to ensure easy and correct interpretation.
An informative plot is crucial in data visualization because it simplifies complex datasets, making trends, patterns, and outliers immediately apparent. It transforms raw numbers into visual insights, which aids in quicker understanding, better decision-making, and effective communication of findings to a broader audience, including non-technical stakeholders. Without good plots, extracting meaningful information from large datasets would be time-consuming and prone to misinterpretation. The Python code first initializes the necessary libraries: matplotlib, pyplot for plotting, and numpy for numerical operations and data generation. It then creates a sample dataset using numpy, simulating days studied and corresponding exam scores. This data serves as the foundation for our plot, allowing us to demonstrate the principles of an informative visualization. As you can see in the generated plot, the data points clearly illustrate a general positive trend. As the days studied increase, the exam score tends to rise. The plot effectively demonstrates the basic requirements of an informative visualization through its clear title, labeled axes, grid lines for easy value estimation, and a legend for clarity. These elements ensure the plot is easy to understand at a glance, allowing viewers to quickly grasp the relationship between studying and exam performance.